Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect GoHighLevel to Zapier so you can automate tasks and integrate with other apps. This setup allows us to streamline workflows, reduce manual work, and improve overall efficiency. On the GoHighLevel dashboard, all we need to do is open a new tab and go to Zapier.com. Once we're here, we just have to click Create to start building our automated workflow. This connects our GoHighLevel account to other apps through Zapier. It works in 2 steps, first connecting to Zapier, then linking to another app. For the trigger, we need to select GoHighLevel. In Zapier, GoHighLevel goes by the name leadconnector. So if you can't find it, just search for that name instead. For the action, we can connect it to an app like Slack or Google Drive. From here, we just need to log into our account so both apps are officially connected. We then continue and move through the setup so we can integrate leadconnector with GoHighLevel. As we can see, we are now testing and confirming that GoHighLevel and Zapier are working together. The 2 apps are now connected. That's how we connect GoHighLevel to Zapier in just a few simple steps. With this integration in place, we can automate our processes and connect our tools with ease.